Hi, in this video you are going to learn how to use the home button in Google Chrome. Okay, so here we can see there is no home button shown here as of now. Okay, so let's go to this three dots option and click on settings and click on appearance. Here you can see show home button as disabled, so click on enable. Now it has shown two options as a new tab page, or we can give the URL. As of now I given as www.google.com as URL. Okay, so if I select this radio button now here, if you click on this home button, it directly redirect to Google page. Okay, so if you want to make it as a new tab page, okay, for that again go to for settings and click on appearance and click on new tab page. Now you can see if you click on this home button, it has opened a new tab and it won't redirect to google.com website. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Please see description for more videos and please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.